The HRB-S high-resolution balances are durable and precise. When weighing chemicals and liquids, this stainless steel balance makes cleanup easy. Its stainless housing is chemical-resistant, rust-resistant, and protects the electronics inside. This upgrade from plastic housings is a must to prevent erosion and results in a longer-lasting balance. It's even rated for light hose or wipe-down applications. The easy-to-read LCD is responsive and features tear, zero, and print options for easy weighing. Plus, you can go cordless with 6 AA batteries. The HRB-S also has 2 models, the top-loading option with a broader capacity and the glass shield option. Both include 16-unit conversions and include AnyCal expert calibration software by Tree for easy calibration with any known accurate weights from 25 to 100% of balance capacity.